Total awareness never sleeps. It is always present, always watching. This is Black Recon. A deployable reconnaissance system, integrated wherever the mission requires. Positioned across the environment. Continuously active. Maintaining coverage without interruption. One unit lands. Another takes its place, maintaining awareness where it matters most. Black Recon operates autonomously, covering ground without direction. Detecting what cannot be seen. Intelligence shared across the entire network, instantly, from the air to the operator, to the soldier in the field, allowing for swift response. Multiple units, one coordinated effort. Greater precision across the area. Black Recon, from awareness to action.